Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing. I have reached financial independence, and I talk about topics that help others on their pathway to financial independence. And today is a glorious day for me. Today is Friday the 13th. Most considered an unlucky day, but for me, it's lucky. I chose this day as the day to retire from my engineering job that I have worked for 25 years. So I'm here on location. That building in the background there is the building that I worked out of for about a decade. I chose a spot where the name wasn't visible, so you really can't know which firm I work for. But anyhow, I'm free. It's been kind of strange today. There were a couple little documents I had to log in to get the final signatures and get out, and it was just weird because I didn't have to do that, but I just, it's so strange to think that I'm not going to have to be on my computer day in and day out. Yeah, I'm freed. There's another building that I kind of interfaced with over time, and behind this building are a couple other buildings that I worked at for 15 years before that. So yeah, on this location for 25 years, I have worked out of a little gray cubicle. Some people think it's kind of like just going to a jail cell every day, and you sit there, you do your things all day, and it's an interesting moment here, crossing over the line, reaching financial independence, and now I have retired early. I am younger than the average person. I guess I won't name my exact age, um, and yeah, so it's a really exciting day. I purchased my freedom. I'm liberated. I can just do recreational employment now if I want to, or if I don't need to. Today I sent my first payment for my ACA health insurance system that I got set up. So insurance ends today on the 13th, and it will start on the first of next month. Should something happen to me in the next couple of weeks, I have the Cobra insurance possibility that if you don't know about it, you can get up to 18 months of insurance through Cobra. But health insurance was a super important thing. That was one thing that my wife said, you can't retire early if we don't have an idea of what to do for insurance. So got that all set up, retired today. New insurance starts in 2 weeks. And to live on, I have return of capital coming from a bunch of master limited partnership oil pipelines. I will get about, I don't know, $12,000 in ordinary dividends. And then I will pull a little bit of my retirement funding out of the 401k if I need it, under the rule of 55 for retiring early. So all those things make it possible so that I can not have to be here anymore. So again, this is a happy day. I wanted to record it. I'm here on location. I will not have to come to this building that I have worked out of for a decade or so ever again. It's nice. We're here in Utah. We've got the freeway next to it. We've got the Utah mountains in the background, a little bit of snow on them. Still a pretty location. But again, I'm free. We'll see. And I'll continue to give some updates on what it's like to retire early, what my experience is. So again, I'm liberated. I do not have to have come to this cubicle lifestyle any longer. Dead City Investing. Like, subscribe. Thanks so much. We'll see you. Bye.